Good morning, dear hearts. We are at lesson 160. I am at home. Fear is the stranger here. This is a lesson that is a lot of it is very Shakespearean in the language, and so it can be a little bit confusing as we read it silently. So I always suggest that if you're experiencing any kind of confusion while reading the lesson quietly, then instead read it out loud to yourself so you can read it and hear it at the same time. But this lesson starts out that fear is the stranger to the ways of love. And if we identify with fear, we will be strangers to ourselves. Whenever I align with fear thoughts, okay, and the fear of the ego mind, then what I am doing is I'm actually denying who I really am. I'm denying my true identity, capital T, capital I, all right? So when I do not know who I am, then I am actually evicting myself from my true home, heaven, all right? And that is the home that has been provided for us by God. This lesson also does some of the things that we will find and we have found in other lessons where we'll see it further, is that it gives us two suppositions. If this is true, then this is not. If that is true, then this is not. And here it says that if you are real, then fear must be the illusion. And if fear is real, then you do not exist at all. So as always, throughout the course, we are being told we get to choose, all right? That's what we are doing all of the time. And this lesson also tells us that love and fear cannot, will not, ever coexist. So there is always that choice. The Course is very consistent in telling us that love and fear are polar opposites, and we must always pick one over the other. We will always choose. And as we choose, we will then experience the effects of our choosing. If I choose fear, if I choose my ego mind, then that is what I'm going to be experiencing in this existence, in this life, in this physicalness that I believe is real, although it is, as we just read, an illusion. And in order to get out of this illusion, I need to have a miracle. A miracle is required. A miracle being, of course, a shift in my perception, a new thought, a thought apart from the thoughts that I have been thinking that have made me believe that this illusion is real. I need a new thought. And God, being of knowledge and knowing who we really are, that we are indeed His children, sinless, guiltless, perfect children of God, has sent to us His Son, the healed mind, the healed Christ mind. And it says, this lesson says, today we offer thanks that Christ has come to search the world for what belongs to Him, capital H, Him, God. And His vision sees no strangers, but beholds His own and joyously unites with them. We have been sent someone to bring us home. Now, when I read this, because I have studied theater, been in theater in the past, way past, but I immediately thought of the song from Les Mis, Bring Him Home. And I can see this concept, this idea, this healed mind telling to bring us home to where we belong, bring us home whole and healed and perfect as we truly are, because there has been sent to us a recognition, a spirit, a truth, our brother, to bring us home. Okay, let's go home today. I hope this helped, and I hope you're having a good time, you're getting through this situation that we are all experiencing here in 2020. If this helped, please share it, please subscribe, and I hope to see you here tomorrow. Namaste.